Hey Sam, this is the '07 Eclipse that we've been talking about over the phone and by email. So I'm just going to pan through this vehicle just to give you a good shot. So very nice. At the back here, a little blemish on the bumper there, which could be touched up. We might be able to do that for you. All the rims, there's no curb rash. They're all nice. See? Those tires are brand new, by the way, too. And on the front, of course, with any vehicle, you're going to have some, stone chips and so on. There's a few on the front. See those. Other than that, the vehicle's in very, very, very nice shape. And I'll give you the interior shot. Again, very nice shape. Okay. And you asked me about sunroof. There she is.